Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete large email in Gmail. Let's get started. So if you want to delete a large amount of email in your Gmail, what you can do is just open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in top right you can find this Gmail option, so just tap on Gmail. After tapping on Gmail, now if you want to delete large email in your Gmail, what you can do is just tap on this check option or the select option, which is on the top left of your screen, and after doing that it will select every single email on your accounts. So now what you can do is just tap on this delete option, and after tapping on the delete option you will successfully delete the large amount of emails in your Gmail. So if you don't want to do that, what you can do is just tap on this arrow icon which is beside that box, and after tapping on that arrow, now you can select a type of email that you would like to delete. So if you want to delete your 100 emails, it will automatically select your 100 emails and you can delete those by tapping on delete. But if you want to delete your red emails, you can just tap on red and delete those. You can also do that with your starred and unstarred emails. So that's it guys, this is how to delete large email in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.